Visit the NLP E-Resources Portal. In your browser, type in eportal.nlp.gov.ph. To register, click the Login button on the upper right side of the web page. After clicking Login, click the Create New Account tab. Accomplish the form provided. Make sure you are applying for an individual account. Accounts made under an institution will not be approved. Once you've checked the information that you have provided, click Create New Account. Two emails will be sent to you, the first confirming your account request, the second confirming that your request is approved. Click the link on the second email to set your password. Follow these easy steps to access a wide range of scholarly databases. Need assistance? You can reach us in our website at web.nlp.gov.ph, through our online library assistant, or email us at reference@nlp.gov.ph. Research, discover, enjoy.